Hi guys, I normally actually don't do many vlogs, but today I wanted to take you along with me. Oh my god, can you hear my voice? I've been so poorly. I was so sick yesterday. I stayed in bed all day, and today is Sunday the 18th. I was planning, no, we had already bought tickets to go see Black Panther. I'm so excited about Black Panther, you don't understand. Can you guys check out my African wrap here? This is my head wrap that I used to go to bed at night. I thought, let me just recycle it, wash it, have it all nice and clean, and just put it on. So this is my outfit. My makeup, I've just done really like simple eyes, and I wanted a strong brow today. And my lipstick, I'm gonna link everything down below. Foundation, I used everything, but this is my outfit guys, all black everything. And I'm going to wear my orange coat that's currently on my bed. Oh, my arm hurts. Is it clear? Yeah, I'm going to wear my orange coat that's currently on my bed. And yeah, I'm gonna go. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this film. I'm like super duper excited. I've been seeing so many reviews about it, so many interviews about it as well. I'm just excited. I'm out of breath. I will insert in an like picture over here of my outfit. I'm gonna get my cousin to take it, but this is how I'm looking guys. I feel proper African today. I'm gonna go and represent. Can you guys see it? And then after we're gonna go to my cousin's and we're gonna have pizza and drinks. I'm super duper excited. Let me check what time my bus is coming. So the film is at 3 o'clock. It's currently, oh, bus is coming in 10 minutes. Oh, 9 minutes. All right, I need to stop this and run for the bus. The movie starts at 5. But we're meeting everyone at like 4:30. I'm going to try and put it on my Insta story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me here because I'm always doing Insta stories. So I'm going to put it right here. And yeah, I'm gonna get going. Hopefully I have enough battery on my phone because I've been using it to just go on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff like that. Battery's low on the other phone. This one is battery's low as well. Jeez. Alright, okay. Let me get going because I'm wearing heels. It's probably going to take me about 5 minutes to walk to the bus stop, which is just a minute away from my house. But when I'm in heels, it takes me ages. Alright guys, I'll speak to you later. I hope I'll get time to wrap up this video later when I come home. I don't know what time I'm going to come home. Movie should probably finish around 7 or 8 latest. Then we're going to go to my cousin's for food and drinks. And then I will come back. But I'm going to start doing these little like mini vlogs so that you guys could get to know me a little bit better. Yes guys, I have arrived. I'm supposed to meet my cousins, but they are running late, so I've literally just come into this shop just to keep warm because it's cold outside. They have some cute stuff in here. I hope because of the music I don't get a copyright strike. It's a very cute shop. It has really nice things in it. So I'm just going to probably find a coffee shop, sit down and see if I can get some coffee. I think I want something hot because I have a cold. So I'm just gonna go in the shopping center, see if there's a shop that's open. Actually, let me stick to finding a coffee shop and get something like a hot chocolate. I need something warm, either a tea or a hot chocolate. My camera is so heavy, I literally have to support it with the other arm. I hope my cousins are wearing black outfits. I told them the dress code. I said all black. There's H&M guys. I'm not going in there because you know how I feel about that. H&M, yeah. Listen, don't mess with you anymore. Where's a coffee shop? Just in the sun to McDonald's. I really want like cheeky chicken nuggets. I'm going to be that person that sneaks food into the cinema. I know we're gonna have pizza later, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna go get some chicken nuggets. I'm gonna try and sneak them in the cinemas. It's so bad. I am not paying for popcorn. £7. Hell to the I nearly swore hell no. My arm hurts. Alright, the sign to McDonald's says this way. Oh, it says 1 minute. Okay. Guys, it's so great. It looks like it's going to pour down. I can actually tell you where I am. I don't think I've been here before. I'm in Angel. And is it focused? There we go. I'm at Angel. And I don't think I've been here. But let's find this McDonald's, hey? Is it down here? Ooh, I've seen it, girl. Across the road. I've seen McDonald's. Okay, I better not get run over. My arm, it hurt so bad. Let me switch arms. Okay, that's much better. That's much better. Oh, it looks like there was a little market here. They're taking it down. Okay, so walking to McD's, get those chicken nuggets. I think I'm gonna get the sweet chili dip, guys. Sweet chili dip is like the best thing. Ooh, Waitrose. I love me some Waitrose. They do my favorite tiramisu. If you've never tried tiramisu from Waitrose, I suggest you go and you try it. It's literally like the best thing ever. Hi guys, so I've literally just got in, and what time is it? Let me show you on this clock. Let me hold my camera properly so I don't drop it. If I drop it, I'll be really angry at myself. Look at the time, guys. It's 12:15. I stayed out quite late. I have to say the movie was good. All the actors in it were just amazing. I feel like they need to make Black Panther Part 2. I really enjoyed it. It's a film that I'll definitely go and watch again. I'll see if I could try to get my friend to go again. It's just so good. It's really good. I enjoyed it, and yeah, I had a lovely evening. I'm gonna end my night here. As you can see, my nose is blocked up again. I need to go and make some lipstick, take all this makeup off. I literally kept this on like the whole entire time. It's the first time going out with a head drop, to be honest. It was good. It was good. It was good. I think I feel more brave now to go out with it. It was good. My cousin literally was like, when she saw me, she said I looked like I was 13 years old, and I'm quite short, guys. I'm only like 5 foot. I'm very small. She was like, oh my god, you look like you're 13 years old. But no, my makeup has actually stayed on quite well, guys. Do you see? I haven't really touched up anything. The only thing I touched up was my lippy, because I had some pizza, we had some drinks, and yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, take all these clothes off, put my PJs on, get my makeup off, and go to bed. Alright, bye guys.